We'll guide you through how to make a webtoon in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita and start by creating a new file. You'll want to set your canvas size to a webtoon-friendly format, which is typically around 800 pixels wide, and a height that can vary depending on the length of your episode. Make sure to set the resolution to at least 300 dpi for high-quality images. Once your canvas is ready, go to the Layers panel. It's a good idea to create multiple layers for different elements like backgrounds, characters, and text. This will help you manage your artwork more efficiently. To begin drawing, select the brush tool from the toolbar. Krita offers a wide range of brushes that you can customize to suit your style, so experiment with different textures and strokes until you find the ones that work for you. As you sketch out your webtoon, remember to use the Transform tool to adjust and move elements around. This tool is invaluable for making sure your composition flows well from panel to panel. Speaking of panels, you can create them easily by using the Rectangle tool to draw guiding lines. Just ensure you leave enough space between panels to enhance readability when your webtoon is published online. When it comes to adding color, use the Colorize Mask tool. It's a smart way to quickly fill in your sketches with base colors. You can then refine these with the Brush tool for shading and highlights. Text is crucial in webtoons, so switch to the Text tool to add dialogue. Choose a font that matches the tone of your story, and make sure the text is easy to read. Once your episode is complete, you need to export your file. Go to File and select Export. Save your file as a PNG or JPEG, which are standard formats for webtoons. Finally, upload your episode to your preferred webtoon platform. Don't forget about the importance of regular updates to keep your audience engaged. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.